Apple Vision Pro. Why it's changing the game for AR enthusiasts. Hey everyone, today we're diving into something super exciting, Apple's latest AR/VR game changer, the Apple Vision Pro. If you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about what makes this headset so special, stick around because we're going to break down everything you need to know. What is the Apple Vision Pro? Alright, so first up, what exactly is the Apple Vision Pro? Well, it's Apple's high-end AR/VR headset, and it's packed with some seriously impressive tech. But let's be real, starting at $3,499, it's way more expensive than most headsets out there, like the Meta Quest 3 that costs just around $500. So, what gives? Why is the Vision Pro such a premium product? The cutting-edge tech inside? Well, that hefty price tag comes with some next-level technology. We're talking about a micro OLED display with 23 million pixels. For reference, a 4K display has about 8.3 million pixels. Yeah, it's that sharp. Plus, it's powered by Apple's M2 chip, which has an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, making it an absolute beast for processing power. And don't forget the custom-designed R1 chip, which keeps everything running smoothly with super low latency. Unique features you've never seen before. What really sets the Vision Pro apart, though, are the cool new features. It's got seamless hand and eye tracking, so no more awkward controllers. There's even an external display that shows your eyes, which sounds wild, but it's all about making interactions feel more natural. You also get realistic avatars, a 3D camera, and tight integration with all your favorite Apple devices like your Mac and iPhone. Who should consider the Apple Vision Pro? So, who's the Vision Pro really for? Well, if you're into the latest and greatest tech, this might just be your next splurge. It's perfect for you if you're all about cutting-edge gadgets. You could benefit from a multi-monitor setup at work, but without the physical monitors. You're already deep in the Apple ecosystem and want a device that syncs effortlessly with your Mac, iPhone, and other Apple gear. Or if AR features like lifelike movie screens or futuristic internet browsing are what you're after, who might want to skip it? That said, not everyone will need a Vision Pro. If you're mainly looking for a VR headset for gaming, or you want something with more value for the price, this may not be your first choice. You also probably won't want to trade your laptop or iPad for this, at least not yet. Why the Vision Pro could be worth it? Alright, so why should you even consider shelling out that kind of money? If you're the type who loves being on the ground floor of tech revolutions, this is a must-see device. Its ultra-high-resolution displays and advanced tracking are likely to be the future of headsets, and being one of the first to experience that could be pretty cool. For some, just knowing you're at the forefront of a major technological leap is worth the price of admission. Multitasking like never before. If you've ever wanted a multi-monitor setup but didn't want to deal with all the clutter, Vision Pro's got your back. It gives you an infinite canvas where you can arrange windows, apps, and videos however you want. Plus, you can literally work in 360 degrees. Imagine that. Perfect for Apple fans. And for all the Apple loyalists out there, the Vision Pro is like a dream come true. It fits perfectly into Apple's ecosystem, syncing smoothly with your other devices. Want to mirror your Mac's display or FaceTime on a massive virtual screen? The Vision Pro has you covered. More about the AR experience. But here's the thing, if you're not much of a gamer and you're more into AR features, this headset shines. It's like having a huge movie screen or a life-size browser window right in front of your eyes. And the high-res displays make reading text, watching videos, or even browsing the web an absolute pleasure. Accessibility features that stand out. One last thing that makes the Vision Pro stand out is how accessible it is. You can control it with your eyes, voice, and hands, which could be a game changer for people with mobility challenges. Plus, It works with hearing aids and has advanced accessibility options like eye tracking and gestural controls. Final thoughts. So, is the Apple Vision Pro for everyone? Definitely not. But if you want to see the future of AR/VR tech, or if you're already in love with the Apple ecosystem, this headset could be a game changer for you. Whether you're working, watching movies, or just exploring the endless possibilities of AR, the Vision Pro might just be your next favorite gadget. Alright, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Vision Pro. Is it worth the price? Are you excited about its features? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.